Hey guys, welcome. So those of you who are seeing this face for the first time, my name is Darshana Bashir and please do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. So as you already know from today's title, today's video is going to be a DIY project which you can create easily at home when you are bored. Yes, I also create all these DIY projects when I'm bored at home and I have nothing to do. So I thought why not share some easy DIY videos with you guys. And yes, you can create these DIYs without spending a penny. So if that interests you, please do watch this video till the end. For the first DIY, you will be needing one cardboard and some scissors, glue and some old CDs. So first I'll place the cardboard and I will draw a moon. You can draw any image which you want to draw. After that I will cut my old CD into small pieces so that it looks something like this. I will take a Fevicol and I will glue all the broken pieces together. Do try to fill in the small gaps so that it looks nice. I will take a double-sided tape and I will place it on my wall so you can see it looks so beautiful. It will shine a lot at the night. You can hang it on your room and it will really look very pretty at night as it will shine. So I have painted it black and I drew some white little stars so it looks very pretty now. So for the next DIY, you will be needing some eggshells. So I have washed these eggshells properly and I have made the hole very small so that it is easy for me to paint or to use them as a planter or anything. I'll be painting it now using acrylic colors. You can paint it using any colors you want of your choice. Let them dry for some time as it will take some time for the colors to dry. So my eggshell have dried out, so I'll paint here. Today I'll paint a smiley here as I want to keep it very simple. These DIYs which I am showing you all today is really very cheap. You can find all the materials around your house and it will not cost you a penny. So you can decorate them any way you want. So I have made these 4 of them. The next DIY is very simple. You just need a paper and a black pen. So you can literally draw anything. So here today I will be drawing some kind of leaves and I'll give them shape. This is similar to mandala art. So you can try this when you are bored. So you just need to fill in all the gaps and it will really look very pretty after it is complete. Guys, this is the final result. So you can literally draw this when you are bored and you can also fill in the gaps using some colors, but you know I was lazy to do so I have left it like this. So for the next DIY you will be needing one glass jar. So this you can take any jar, you can take a jam bottle or a ghee bottle, anything which is available at your home, and you will be needing some sparkles, glue, and that's it. So I will be making a candle jar using this DIY. So first I will glue my bottle using Fevicol, and with the help of my brush I will spread the Fevicol evenly throughout the bottle, and I'll be using sparkles which are easily available at any local store. So today I'll be using red color sparkles and I will repeat the process throughout the bottle until it is filled. I will tap off the extra amount of sparkle so that it doesn't look messy. It really looks very nice after I have finished it, and I made another one using golden color sparkles. So I made this one earlier. So yes, I really like it how it have turned out, and this is very easy and really very cheap to make, and you can place your candles, and in the night it will really look very pretty. If you place it in any corner of your home, it will really light up your mood. So for the next DIY, you will be needing one bottle. So I have removed the sticker from the bottle, and you will be needing one glue and some tapes. You will also be needing eggshells for this DIY, as I will not paint the bottle today. I will use eggshells instead of paint. Firstly, I will place the glue with my brush, and I will place the eggshells. These eggshells also I have washed it before, and I have broken it into small pieces so that it's easier for me to place them on the bottle. And you just need to break the big pieces so that it stays properly. And I'll stick it around the bottle. After that, I will take my paint and I will start painting over the eggshells. Just let the eggshells dry for some time, otherwise it will come off if you don't let them dry for some time. I will be using only one color for this DIY. If you want, you can use multiple colors, or you can also give some different designs to the eggshells, but I liked it this way. So this is how it looks after I have painted it. So now I'll peel off the tape. So this is how the bottle looks after that. So it really looks very pretty, and you can also paint if there is some spots remaining. And yeah, you can decorate it in your room, or you can also place some plants here. It will really look very cute if you place it around your table or anywhere you want. I have made this bottle art earlier, the blue one. So do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make more such DIY bottle arts. So guys, this is the final result. I have placed all my DIY projects here. Isn't it looking so pretty, guys? Do let me know which DIY you like the most.
So this was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Do let me know in the comment section which DIY you like the most and which you are going to recreate, and also I'll be coming up with part 2 of this DIY, so please do stay tuned. Do let me know in the comment section which DIY projects you like the most and which you want to recreate, and also if you recreate this DIYs, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. So today's makeup look which I have created, I have already made a YouTube video which I'll be uploading very soon, so please do stay tuned to our YouTube channel. And those of you who have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe, as I'll be coming up with new YouTube ideas every week. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell notification so that you get updated when I upload a new video. So we will meet soon in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye, take care, love you guys. Bye bye.